The other thing with penny stocks is, again, I kind of touched on it a little bit, but that people think there's a perceived value there. Again, that they think that they have 50,000 shares in a company, and that's a good thing, but it really isn't. Again, you're putting down $500 on the trade. It's $500. The end of the day, it's your $500 greenbacks that you're worried about. It doesn't matter how many shares they turn into. You just want to get your money back and then some, right? Okay, it'd be like going down to the street corner and buying 5,000 of those paper iPods. You're just killing yourself there. You know what I mean? So the other thing about penny stocks is people run pretty much on high hopes that they're going to make quick money. People who sell penny stocks. Now keep in mind, when people are pushing penny stocks, I think about they are pushing to get buyers because they want out. A lot of penny stocks don't have a lot of volume. And I've been caught holding penny stocks where the stock doesn't go where I want. And let's say I decide to sell. I can't get a buyer. I put my order in. It sits there for 2-3 hours. In the meantime, the stock price is going down. I do not have a buyer. I mean, think about that. You know, every minute I'm losing more and more of my money and nobody's going to buy it. Now, that's a real tough reality to have you face right there. Okay. But again, it's really tough. And so people have this they think that they can make a lot of money quickly, but the problem is that there's a lot of people selling and they hype it because they want to sell their stocks. They're trying to get buyers to come in the market. Okay. And yes, when somebody buys a stock, you have a seller. When somebody sells a stock, you have a buyer. I get that. But just keep that in mind. There's a lot of manipulation and a lot of retail investors. You're not talking market makers and big investment firms that get into penny stocks. Okay? You could say maybe some funds do, but no, this is not where the real money is. This is just highly volatile, crazy. It's fraudulent. It's insane, and your money deserves better. Your hard-earned money, and that's the message I'm trying to tell you today. When people trade with penny stocks, the other thing that they want to do is they all run on hope. They have no trading plan. They might dump all their money in one stock, or maybe they'll divide it up and buy a couple different stocks, but they don't have a plan whatsoever. They don't know when they're going to get out. They don't know when they're going to sell. Even if it goes up, do you know when you're going to sell? Let's say you bought a stock at 10 cents and it went up to 30 cents. Okay. You're like, wow, that's great. Are you going to sell at 30 cents? You're going to take your money off the table, call it good? No, you're probably going to say it's going to go up to $1 and you're going to ride it. Okay. You're not going to protect your profits. In the meantime, as it goes up and up and up, you'll turn your back on it. Maybe go to work that day. You'll come back and it's down 80% that following day. You'll have nothing left and you'll say, why didn't I sell? Same on the downside. Let's say you buy the stock and it goes up and then it just doesn't go your way and it starts going down. That's where hope kicks in. And people say, well, it's going to go down and it's going to turn around. It's just the end of the day. Tomorrow's going to be a new day. Tomorrow it gaps down and goes down further. Well, it'll turn around. They got really good products. And I have a lot of faith in the company. And it goes down and down and down and down. And next thing you know, your $500 is $150. Then it's $70. Then it's $50 and it's worthless. Okay. Then you count in commissions and you're in the hole. But you lost your money and then some. Okay. So even if you were to get into penny stocks, you have to monitor it very closely and have a very strict trading plan that's already developed before you go in, where you know when you're going to buy and know when you're going to sell. If it's selling up or down, you have to have a plan, almost automatic. Well, all right. Well, that concludes part 2 of my video on trading penny stocks. So following this video, you might see part 3. Or there'll be a link down below the video here so you can follow along to the final component, final part of the video of trading penny stocks. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Eric from Top Flight Trades, and happy trading. Thanks.